In today's video, I will show you how to use the Mushashi Fractal Dimension Tool indicator to detect market trade opportunities. The Mushashi Fractal Dimension Tool is part of the Mushashi Alchemist research on the fractal nature of the markets and the understanding of the relation between fractal dimension and chaos theory. To take full advantage of this indicator, traders need to incorporate some principles and concepts. Number 1. Traditional technical analysis is linear and Euclidean, which makes it very difficult in its modeling. Number 2. Linear techniques cannot quantify non-linear behavior. Number 3. Is it possible to measure accurately a wave or the surface of a mountain with a simple ruler? Number 4. Fractals quantify what Euclidean geometry can't. They measure chaos as they identify the order in apparent randomness. Number 5. Remember, chaos is order disguised as randomness. Number 6. Chaos is the study of unstable aperiodic behavior in deterministic nonlinear dynamic systems. Number 7. Order and randomness can coexist, allowing predictability. There is a reason why fractal dimension was invented. We had no way of measuring fractal-based structures. Number 9. Benoit Mandelbrot used to explain it by asking, how do we measure the coast of Great Britain? Number 10. An easy way of getting the need for a dimension in between is looking at the Koch snowflake. Number 11. Market prices tend to seek natural levels of ranges of balance. These levels can be described as attractors and determinants. Remember that the Mushashi Fractal Dimension Tool is part of Mushashi Alchemist research on the fractal nature of the markets and the understanding of the relation between fractal dimension and chaos theory. Based on this reference, it is necessary for us to recall our knowledge about the Fractal Dimension Index (FDI) indicator. The Fractal Dimension Index (FDI) is an indicator that helps to determine the persistence or anti-persistence of a market. A persistent market follows a market trend, while an anti-persistent market results in substantial volatility around the trend, with low R2, and is more vulnerable to price reversals. That's all for now on the Fractal Dimension Index (FDI) indicator. To apply the Mushashi Fractal Dimension indicator on the price chart, search the keywords Mushashi Fractal Dimension and select the EP version by Mushashi Alchemist on TradingView's Community Scripts folder. Before I show you how to implement this technical indicator for buy and sell signals, it's essential we check out its parameter settings. By default, FDI is selected. This option provides 3 fast FDIs, 11, 12, 13, plus 1 slow FDI, 21, and their interaction gives useful information. Fast FDI cross will give us gray or red dots, while a slow FDI cross with the slowest of the fast FDI will give white and orange dots. This is great to early spot trend beginnings or trend ends. The indicator will print purple dots when slow FDI and baseline cross. I see them as short-term cycle changes. There is also momentum and speed, included by checking RSI study in the indicator properties. This will add 2 RSI, 9 and 7 periods, plus a baseline calculated the same way as for FDI. It also includes RSI divergences, regular and hidden, and deactivation with a simple check in the RSI section of the properties. The third box is BBWP, Bollinger Bands with Percentile. This functions as an efficient way of visualizing volatility as the percentile of Bollinger Bands expansion. By default, it comes with the high volumes deactivated for a better view of FDI and RSI while all studies are included. How can we generate a buy and sell signal with this trading indicator? For easy detection to generate buy and sell signals, we need to modify some of the indicator's parameter color settings. Under the Style settings, there are color modification options for the indicator. Let us change the slow FDI line to green color and the FDI baseline to blue color. Okay, good. To generate buy signals, we need to watch out for the Mushashi Fractal Dimension Indicator slow FDI line, green line, at the bottom lows here. Step 2. We need to patiently wait to see the slow FDI line, green line, cross above the FDI baseline upward, blue line. Step 3. Once the indicator prints purple dots when slow FDI and baseline cross, this is the confirmation of a buy signal generated. Traders can then proceed to execute a buy market order. Traders should start trailing their profit up once the slow FDI line, green line, turns red. Traders should exit their buy order whenever the slow FDI line, red line, touches the blue FDI baseline. To generate sell signals, we need to watch out for the Mushashi Fractal Dimension Indicator slow FDI line, red line, at the top high here. Step 2. We need to patiently wait to see the slow FDI line, red line, cross below the FDI baseline downward, blue line. Step 3. Once the indicator prints purple dots when slow FDI, red line, and the blue line, baseline cross, this is the confirmation of a sell signal generated. Traders can then proceed to execute a sell market order. Traders should start trailing their profit down once the slow FDI line, red line, turns green. Traders should exit their sell order whenever the slow FDI line, green line, touches the blue FDI baseline. It's time we execute some trades based on this trading strategy. Here on this price chart, after the price made a bearish pullback, the indicator prints purple dots when slow FDI, green line, crosses above the blue baseline. This is the confirmation of a buy signal generated. Time to execute a market order for a long position. Stop loss can be placed at the low of this bullish upward swing. We will target 2 risk-to-reward ratios. Let's patiently wait to see how the buy trade goes. The bullish momentum increases. Buy trade finally resulted in a winning trade. Let's search for a bearish trade setup with this indicator. Here on this price chart, after the price made a bullish pullback, the indicator prints purple dots when slow FDI, red line, crosses below the blue baseline. This is the confirmation of a sell signal generated. Time to execute a market order for a short position. Stop loss can be placed at the high of this bearish swing. We will target 2 risk-to-reward ratios. Let's patiently wait to see how the sell trade goes. The bears set in aggressively. The sell trade finally resulted in a winning trade. Take note, in order to have a high winning rate using the Mushashi Fractal Dimension Indicator, make sure to apply it in a trending market according to the direction of the Dominion trend.